Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's DIY is on how I clean the foam boards, letters and numbers. Without wasting time, let's get started. To get started, you need some water which you pour into a dish, a clean tablecloth and some dishwashing liquid. So you get your dishwashing liquid and pour it on the tablecloth like that. You don't want to use too much, neither do you want to use less, just a sufficient amount. You rub the soap onto the tablecloth to create some foam, and thereafter you start rubbing your foam board like that. As we can see, dirt is being collected onto the tablecloth, meaning our number is getting clean. Be sure that the outer surfaces of your letters and numbers are also cleaned in as much as you are cleaning the inner surfaces. Rinse off the soap from the tablecloth as seen. And wipe clean your letter or number, whichever it is you will be cleaning. In our case, our number. Please allow me to make mention that you may rinse off your tablecloth as many times as you deem necessary to ensure that your numbers or letter are squeaky clean. So once I finished cleaning up the number, I allowed it to dry for at least 10 minutes. And that's our number there, dried and squeaky clean. For the sake of this tutorial, I decided to add some push lights, but they were not enough. But I guess you know what the sister was trying to do here. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you and bye-bye.